Welcome back. In this video, we are going to work inside of the File menu, and then we're going to look at the Options link. When we click the Options link, we're going to have a number of things available to us. You're going to have some general options that you can change, interface options, personalizing your copy of Microsoft Office. This would mean that you can change the name that appears and replace when you are working inside of the various applications. And most of these are ticked by default. However, if you don't want any of them, you can untick them. You can also change the proofing options. Again, most of these are going to be working by default, including autocorrect. You can change how autocorrect works inside of PowerPoint, or you can have it not work at all. You can have PowerPoint check typing as you type, or you can untick it if you want to wait until the end. You can actually have your grammar checked while you're working inside of PowerPoint, and you can hide your spelling and grammar errors. Now, you have ultimate control over how PowerPoint interacts with you in terms of helping you with your spelling and your grammar. Now, so that you don't lose your data when you're working on it, PowerPoint does auto-save some of your content. You have control over those options. You also have control over your language. You have control over what appears on your ribbon. So if you go into Customize Ribbon and you want to control the Home menu or any of the other menus such as Insert, Draw, Design, Transitions, you can control what appears on those menus by going into your Customize box and changing some of the options. And the same thing is going to be true for your Quick Access toolbar. Basically, what you're going to be doing with your options commands are you're going to be making Microsoft PowerPoint easier to use once you have determined how you're going to be using it most of the time. So you can come into your options and make changes so that the things that you use most frequently appear to you, and the features that you need most frequently are available to you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.